Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, October 6th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar index, and we're on the 4-hour time frame. So, anyways, on the US dollar index, we ended up, going down to structure, but it ended up rejecting structure. The fact that it wasn't able to break and hold below this low right here makes me think that our bullish analysis of this being either a flat or a big WXYXZ, which either way, it doesn't matter. It's pretty much the same outcome, whether it's a flat or a WXYXZ pattern, which is that it would likely go up and take out both of these previous highs. So we do want to keep our Fibonacci retracement out here just in case. So let's take it down to a little bit of a shorter time frame, going down to the 1 hour time frame. So we definitely want to have our Fibonacci retracement from here to here, because if it does decide to go up to a Fibonacci level, especially if it makes like a double top at a fib level, then breaks structure to the downside, that definitely would have to tell us that this move up is a pullback to this move down. But looking at the dollar pairs, looking at the higher time frames, it's probably more likely it's just going to bounce, make a higher low, and just keep on going up, especially because it definitely did reject structure down here. Oftentimes, a rejection of structure is actually a good sign of the continuation of the higher time frame uptrend, especially when it just takes it out by a little bit, because that's more than likely just a liquidity grab. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.